Okay, let's take a quick look here at the project you guys have been working on. It would be nice if you had a page here that listed each person in the group and who was responsible for what. And then also I'd like to see you guys put a page number at the bottom of each page, like page 1, page 2. And on every single page, I do need to see who is the author or who is responsible, okay? I really do like where you're coming with this. I'm not so sure I like this box here, and there's a little too much white space. So this is awesome up top. I really think there should be some kind of intro or more images about some of the articles that y'all are putting in here. So a little more work there, but I know we're still in work in progress, so I'm not trying to be overly critical. This looks odd with all this white space here. So all of this is really looking good. So continue to work with that. Remember, all images have to be, each image has to be credited. So every single image that you use, you must put in here an image source, okay? I do really like some of the design features you guys are choosing. I just love the creativity. And I really haven't had the time so much to read your content yet. I do like this. This is a great use of space. A whole page where you're really emphasizing. See, that's what I'm saying. Your 10 pages can really be used up quickly. But I don't know. All right, Rebecca's got her name here, so thank you. But I'd like it to be like page 1 if there's 9 of y'all through page 45. And then if you get here, whose page is this supposed to be? So is this supposed to be Rebecca's page 5 or page 4? That way I kind of know where everybody is. And then I keep going, and then we get here to Eunice's, and I need, like, what is this? Eunice should be what, page 10 or page 11? So your name should be on every page. And remember now, these are articles as well. So it's okay for you to take this, but this first page of your section, and I don't know if this is really what I'm looking for. Like you're just pulling out little quick notes. Okay, so that may be fine, but the next page then should really be like a detailed article. You see what I'm saying? So you want to kind of address it, then come to these kinds of ideas, which I think are fantastic. Don't let there be too much white space. So here I've got Eunice, right? And then the very next page, it's Taylor. And if you're supposed to have 10 pages done, and we're at the last check-in, and the next one is the final project submission, I'm a bit concerned, to be honest with you guys. All right, Taylor again. So if this was Eunice's here, it ought to be Eunice page, let's say 10, 11, 12, 13, her 10 pages. Does that make sense? You got to say that the first page or 2 might be the cover, the second page might be, it'd be nice if on the second page here, you listed everybody's section where I could just maybe click and go directly to their part here inside of the magazine. So the ease of being able to move about the magazine is important. This is just not much, Taylor. This needs to be a lot more. And it looks like, I mean, is this yours, or did you take this from somewhere? Because when I put this in through the Turnitin, if any of this content has been plagiarized, the system is going to catch it. And so it will be run through that, because you're going to have to submit this final project as a PDF. All right, and so same thing here, Taylor. It's not much. You're just not doing much. And you're not going to get full credit for this. I'll be docking. The lack of use of this space here, there should be instructional content. You are to cover the entire section that you chose. All right, now I don't know who this is supposed to be, so it'd be nice if their name was here somewhere. It lets me know, hey, Nikki Bray, you know, is supposed to do this, and to this point she has not included anything. That kind of lets me know who deserves to have zeros. But like with Eunice only having 1 page, Taylor really having a few pages with really nothing on them, I mean, it really makes it hard for me to even want to give you guys credit for that. I don't know who's done this. All images must be cited, right? There's no way for me to know. The pages are not numbered. So I'm really hoping, you know, how do I know who to give what credit to? So what I need this group to do, okay, this is looking better here. This is looking more like magazine, especially this, and then some images or something included as well. But again, I need page numbers. Okay, so there's a lot here I just don't know. So I'm going to hold off. I'm actually going to put a 0 in until you guys send to me who has done, put their name, their section. You can email this to me, and how many pages have been completed. And Taylor, I'm not giving you credit for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm not giving you credit for 5 pages. It's not 5 pages worth of material. So you should be writing instructional articles. So for example, you'd put Eunice Clark 1 page, which, I mean, that's a stretch as well. So all right, so I hope this helps you guys. This final project technically is due on the 25th, but you do have until December 1st, and it looks like this group may need to use all the way through December the 1st. But I'd watch this video a couple times, make a list of what you all need to do, and get this submitted. Now, I will not accept your project after December 1. So if you miss the Dropbox, understand that this entire group will lose their credit. Okay, so you must collaborate. And it doesn't look like every member of the group is participating, but it does look like there's about 3, 4, maybe 5 of you guys. So you need to get on it and make sure that you finish this strong. Okay, I'm only going to accept 1 submission, and you need to go to File, and you need to download this as a PDF when you submit it. Your final document should be PDF'd. Okay. All right. If you have more questions, or if there's anything I can do to help you guys as you go through this last week, then message me in the Remind app. Okay. For now, I'm going to give you guys a 0 for this check-in until you email me with the names of everybody in the group, and then how many, out beside there, how many pages they've completed. And Taylor, I'll give you credit for like 2 pages, and that's really being generous. So put that down, whoever takes the lead on this. Okay? All right, guys. Do this coming Sunday, and then you have until December 1 is when the final Dropbox closes.